Hi guys, it's Miss Vollinger here. I hope you guys are all doing well on this lovely day. I am going to be doing another mental math lesson. This is actually mental math lesson number 7. So listen up, because you know mental math helps us to be better mathematicians every day. So give me a second while I share my screen with you. All right, so today we are going to use grouping strategies to solve multiple add-in problems. And remember, when we have multiple add-ins, an add-in is a number that you add and that gets you the sum. So we have add-ins when we use addition. So let's get to it. All right, first of all, let's warm up. So in our last mental math lesson, we reordered numbers to make addition easier. What are some other strategies that we can do? So when we reordered our numbers, we reordered them in a way that it would be easier to add. We also learned that the commutative property of addition, you can put them in any order you want. Okay, so what's some of the ways? Think for a second. Did you come up with finding doubles? Remember we talked about finding doubles, and if we know our doubles facts, like 2 plus 2 and 3 plus 3 and 4 plus 4, if we know them right away, we'll be able to add quickly. We also talked about knowing near doubles. Well, if we know our doubles, then we would know doubles plus 1. Because if you look here and you see 3 plus 4, we know 3 plus 4 is 7 because we know 3 plus 3 is 6 plus 1 more is 7. It's close to the doubles fact that we already know. Now, nice numbers. Our nice numbers are numbers that we will make a 10, whether we make 10, whether we make 20, numbers that end in a 0. Now, another strategy that we can use when adding is taking that bigger number and adding on. For example, if we had 7 plus 4, putting 7 in our head and counting on 4 to get 11 is another strategy for adding. Okay, so now let's practice in finding the best strategy that we could use for these addition problems. All right, I have 7 plus 4 plus 3. I actually see a couple things. I see a near doubles. I also see a nice number. And because I really like nice numbers, because numbers that end in 0 make it easier for me to add, I would actually use nice numbers. Doing 7 plus 3 is 10, and then 10 plus 4 is 14. Okay, what about this one? I see 2 of the same number. 5 plus 5, that's a double. Pretty easy. 5 plus 5 is 10, I know that right away, and 10 plus 9 makes 19. And so there you go, I use the doubles facts. Our next one, 2 plus 6 plus 8. Well, I see that 2 plus 8 makes a nice number because 2 plus 8 is 10. And then 10 plus 6 makes it a lot easier to add. So 10 plus 6 is 16. So nice numbers is what strategy I would use. Okay. Now, again, commutative property is when you can add numbers in any order and get the same sum. So what we want to do when we get a list of numbers to add, we want to put them in an order that makes it easier for us. So let's look here at 17 plus 7 plus 3 plus 3. What could be our new order? Okay, what do you think? Well, what I think is I see 7 plus 3 being 10. And then I also know 17 plus 3 is 20. So then it makes it a lot easier for me to say, to do nice numbers and do 17 plus 3 is 20. 7 plus 3 is 10. And then 20 plus 10 is 30. See how quickly we can do that? Now, could we say 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Could we do that? We could. We could keep adding on, but which was faster? Finding nice numbers. Okay. Now, let's try again. Let's practice another one. 1 plus 5 plus 9 plus 4. I want to see what our new order could be to make this easier for us to add. Is it going to be doubles facts or nice numbers? Once again, I don't see any doubles in this problem. So looks like to me, I see 1 plus 9. That makes a nice number, right? So there's 1 plus 9. We know that makes 10. And then I could do 5 plus 4, because guess what that is? That's a near doubles, right? 4 plus 4 is 8, plus 1 more makes 9. So 10 plus 9 is 19. Very good. Okay. Now, which grouping strategies do you prefer? Now, as I told you, me personally, I prefer nice numbers because they're easier to add. When you can make a 10, it makes it a lot easier to add, okay? After we do this together, I challenge you to explain these strategies to someone at your house using the same problem. After I explain it to you, you can go explain it to someone at your house too, and so you can understand it, because guess what? If you can be the teacher, if you're the teacher, then you're going to learn it, okay? All right, what could be our new order? I have 6 plus 7 plus 5 plus 6. Do you think you would use doubles facts or nice numbers? I'm thinking that I would use doubles facts. Reason is because I don't see anything you can add together to make a nice number. So 6 plus 6 is what? 12. And then 7 plus 5 is what? 12. And guess what? 12 plus 12 is 24. Now, go ahead. I challenge. Do this problem, even do some of the other problems in the video, and have your parents see how they would add them together. And then I bet with this mental math, you may even be able to do it faster than your parents. Now, if your parents do it super fast, ask them how they figured it out. See what strategy they use as a mathematician. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed mental math lesson number 7. Have a great afternoon.